Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a very interesting rugged smartphone from Amazon, the Cubot KingKong Ace 2. Before we start, make sure to hit like and subscribe. It really helps promote the video and motivates me to make more reviews. Let's go! The phone comes in a simple box without unnecessary decoration, but you can tell the manufacturer focused on the device itself rather than flashy packaging. Inside, everything is neatly arranged. The phone, cable, charging brick, and quick documentation. The set is basic, but that's all you need to start using the phone right after unboxing. The box doesn't look premium, but that's expected. The budget clearly went into the hardware and durability of the smartphone. The Cubot KingKong Ace 2 is a heavy-duty smartphone designed for users who value durability above all else. It features reinforced corners, rubberized elements, and a rugged body that feels natural in the hands of someone who works outdoors, travels a lot, or frequently drops their phone. The highlight is the small rear display. It shows the time, battery level, and can act as a customizable widget or mini screen. The phone feels noticeably heavier than regular devices, but that's the idea behind the KingKong series. It's built for toughness, not elegance. The phone is fully equipped with rugged protection standards. It resists dust, water, mud, rain, and it can even survive drops from height. According to the manufacturer, it's designed for extreme environments, making it suitable for hiking, work, garages, and construction sites. The body is tightly assembled, the port covers fit securely, and there's no rattling. This is one of those budget armor phones that can genuinely last, even if you aren't very gentle with your devices. Inside, the phone runs fast and smoothly. The interface responds without delay, apps open quickly, and there's more than enough RAM for everyday multitasking. It includes NFC, a full set of wireless modules, a dedicated microSD slot, and solid battery life thanks to a large battery. It's not trying to be a flagship, but it handles daily tasks perfectly well. The main camera takes decent daytime photos. Detail is fine, colors look natural, and autofocus is quick. In low light, the results are more modest, but still acceptable for the price. The front camera is suitable for video calls and simple photos. This phone isn't made for photography, but it handles everyday situations just fine. The biggest strengths are the low price combined with very high durability. It features a truly rugged body that survives drops and water exposure without risks, making it a great choice for work or travel. The secondary rear display adds uniqueness and lets you quickly check time or notifications without turning on the main screen. Battery life is impressive, even with active use. NFC support in this price range is a big bonus, as is the ability to expand storage via SDRO. The phone is quite heavy and you'll definitely feel it in your pocket. The main camera performs only average in low light, so it's not suitable for night photography. The screen has a basic resolution. Responsive, but not as sharp as higher-end models. The rear display is more of a decorative feature than a functional tool. And because of the thick body, it can be a bit awkward to pull out of tight pockets or bags. The Cubot KingKong Ace 2 feels like a smartphone designed for real-life conditions rather than pretty presentations. It feels more like a tool than a gadget. Durable, practical, and reliable. After a few days of use, it becomes clear that this phone can genuinely replace expensive rugged models while costing much less. It's a perfect choice for drivers, construction workers, technicians, travelers, or anyone who has ever dropped a phone into water or onto concrete. It's an honest, hardworking device that delivers what it promises. If you need an affordable but tough smartphone from Amazon, the Ace 2 is absolutely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you want more honest reviews of Amazon tech, leave a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which gadget I should review next.